Let's get ready to practice our sight words together. I will give you a couple of seconds on each slide to say the word, and then I will tell you what the word is. Here we go. The, to, and, a, I, you, it, in, said, for, look, is, go, we, little, down, see, not, one, my, me, big, come, blue, red, where, jump, away, here, help, make, yellow, two, play, run, find, three, funny. Great job, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos so you get the latest updates when I add more content. Have a great day.